Hello children, today we will start the chapter Print Culture and the Modern World. Let's begin with the topic the first printed books. So children, how were the books written when there was no print technology? So initially books were produced by handwriting, that is written by hand, and if any picture had to be drawn on the book, card or cloth, that was also done by hand. And suppose if the same book was demanded by other people, then multiple copies of the book had to be produced in the same manner, which was a very time consuming process, and the people who used to write the book, they were called as calligraphists because they knew the art of beautiful and stylish writing. So the first kind of print technique that came up was called as hand printing or wood block printing. It first came up in China and from there it reached Japan and Korea. Under this technique, first of all, a design was carved on the wooden block and then ink was put on that design. And then that wood block was rubbed against the paper so that the image came on paper. But the image used to come in opposite directions on the paper. So if multiple images had to be drawn, it became easier. Similarly, you can see the right picture. The whole text of a book can be carved, and then producing multiple copies of the book also became very easy. But making such wood blocks could be done only by skilled craftspersons. So children, initially the books that came up in China through woodblock printing technique were called as accordion book. The specialty of these books was that printing was done only on one side. The other side of the paper was left blank. It was because the old paper was thin and porous. That means if printing is done on one side, the impression would came on the other side as well. So children, see at this side the book was stitched and the other side you could see. But gradually the demands of book increased in China. So why did this happen? So firstly, students who were giving exams, their number increased. For example, civil services exam. So they demanded for books. Secondly, urban culture boomed in China. People started shifting to urban areas. So they demanded varieties of books, like merchants needed book on trade, information, next reading because of leisure activity. People started enjoying reading and reading in their free time. So books were printed on various topics like poetry, fiction, plays, autobiographies, anthologies, etc. Anthologies means collections of poems. And then readership increased. Rich women, wives of scholars, courtesans, they not only started reading books but also writing books. So when Western mechanical presses were imported in China, because lot of books had to be produced in a short duration of time, and Shanghai became the hub of printing, means a lot of books were printed in Shanghai. Now children, let's talk about Japan. Do you know children, Chinese Buddhist missionaries went to Japan and taught them the technique of woodblock printing. So the old oldest Japanese book to be printed is the Buddhist Diamond Sutra. It was printed in 868 AD. It has 6 pages and illustrations. Illustrations means pictures. Then paintings were also painted in Japan, like paintings depicting urban culture. Then pictures were printed on varieties of other things like textiles, playing cards, paper money, book, etc. Then books were published on variety of topics like women, musical instrument, tea ceremony, flower arrangement, cooking, calculation, etc. Kitagawa Utamaro, born in Edo in 1753, was widely known for his contributions to an art form called ukiyo, which means pictures of the floating world or depiction of ordinary human experiences, especially urban ones. These prints traveled to contemporary US and Europe and influenced artists like Manet, Monet and Van Gogh. Kitagawa Utamaro is best known for his bizinga. It means large-headed pictures of beautiful women of the 1790s. He also produced nature studies, particularly illustrated books of insects. That's all for today. We will continue in the next video.
हेलो दोस्तों, हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक कीजिए। थैंक यू।